YouTube. And I got this is Steven, DSSMP, whatever you want to call me, whatever. Man, I got something to talk about that's real sad. In my opinion, it's real sad. Um, like if you go on on YouTube, go to like IGN Entertainment or whatever the fuck IGN stand for. But yeah, I'm subscribed to them, watch their videos and whatever, which is like a gaming thing. But that's not. This is beside the point. You remember the anime that we all love and know, what I seen and known when I was 6 or 7, called Dragon Ball Z. Now, here's the sad part. Dragon Ball Z. You know how back in the day, probably like 2000 or something, early 2000s, Dragon Ball Z franchise was great. It was perfect in my opinion. It was so great. And here's what's so upsetting about it. I heard Ultimate Tikaichi wasn't that bad. I heard people say it was good, but I understand Tikaichi wasn't that good. But it's bad for your franchise, in my opinion. If you're gonna do a connect-based game, Dragon Ball Z, I mean, come on now, Dragon Ball Z shouldn't be a connect game. I mean, connect is good. You want the people to work out and stuff. Want the people to get active, so to speak, which is not gonna help them in the end of the day because people just gonna still sit on the couch eating potato chips. But that's I understand y'all want them to get active and it's something fresh and new. But they had a Star Wars game this year that came out. It's a dance game. That's okay. But I still think, in my opinion, they didn't do all that well. But it's sad. If you could go watch the trailer on IGN. It's sad when you doing some of the actions on the you not even look like the real actions that you supposed to do for the thing. The dude do the little kick, he just barely lift his foot up in the air and stuff. But the point is to this is to tell y'all that it's sad how franchises that try to move to connect do so horribly, in my opinion, or they mess up their franchise in general. Say for instance, Ratchet and Clank came on a Connect. If it wasn't on a PS3, or let's see, let's give a better example. Let's say Halo Connect version, the Halo 5, whatever the fuck. Excuse me. Um, Instead of using the R trigger and the stuff, you just playing the game. Instead of doing that, you gotta hold the gun up. You just shoot like that. If you have a pistol or assault rifle or whatever, and you would think, well, in my opinion, I think the game would be bad. Most of the time, the Connect games they get tedious, they get boring. Sometimes they get dull. Most of all, too much movement. Some games don't want all that movement in the game. Some games just want to sit down, play the game at the TV or standing up or whatever. They don't want to dance, doing all this dancing and stuff like that all the time. But what you guys think? You think that it's a good thing for games like Dragon Ball Z, Star Wars to be on Connect, or do you think it's a bad idea? I mean, you can leave your comments below. I don't care what kind of comments you give. I'll try to respond, or I'm not gonna delete them like no little bitch or anything. But still, but that's all I wanted to talk about. That's just kind of sad to me how games now in this generation in the 2000, 2010, 2011 period. To me, I think that's just sad. But this DSSP, I'm out, and that's sad, man. Dragon Ball Z gonna come to a city franchise.